Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. JustZay here, back with the home team. Before I do this unboxing, I'm going to take time to shout out everybody. I was on YouTube Creator and I looked at what my audience is. 40% is the US, and then it says the other 50% is other countries, and then it breaks down a few more countries that's right around 1%. And those are the guys I want to shout out today. We'll do a shout out to the Hong Kong, Canada, United Kingdom, Japan, Philippines, Mexico, Taiwan, France, Spain, Indonesia, Russia, Brazil. Shout out to Brazil. Strawberry milk. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So I want to shout out those guys right there. They make up about 1% each. If I didn't shout your country out, put it in the comments. Definitely going to show you love in the next video. So before we get into it, let's go ahead and do what we got to do. So today, got a special unboxing. 350 Boost. And let's see which ones we got. So, we have the Yeezy Boost 350. Alright y'all, so today, like I said already, we're doing the review of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2, the Cinder colorway. This is actually, if you look in your pantry or your parents' pantry, if you see an actual piece of charcoal, that's exactly what this Prime-Knit looks like. That's what this colorway is. This is the charcoal color Prime-Knit, and then right here, the same hue is going to be charcoal as well. One thing that's different about these and the reflective colorway is that these are actually transparent. I'll say maybe semi-transparent. I mean, you can't see my hand through here, but if I wore like some bright color socks or something, you can see how it's transparent. The other ones, the reflective colorway, of course, this is going to be reflective. That's the main difference. These came out a week before the reflective did. Kind of blown about it because I didn't know they were coming out. I would have got those as opposed to these, but I'm still happy. Still happy either way. Oh, pro tip. They say don't refresh your page. If you have two phones, put one on your Wi-Fi and one on your data. Have one phone refreshing and one phone not refreshing. That's the only way to get through. At least that's how I get through. That's just a pro tip. Got these from Finish Line. So right here you got the gum bottoms. Right here, this acts like a brown gum. This colorway, closest thing to it, I would say maybe like a wet brown bag. That's as close as you can get. And then you got this yellow. I don't really know what else is this color yellow, but it's not that important. You're gonna rarely see this. You still match your outfit up. This is a perfect colorway for wear any and everything. Black goes with anything. It's like a charcoal. So if you want to wear like a black tee or something, I don't know. But this is a great colorway. I'm talking too much about the colorway. So right here, you have the Adidas and the Yeezy right here in the sole. And then of course you have the 3 stripes like you always do. And then you have the pull tab right here. Overall, great shoe, man. This is extremely comfortable. If you never wore a pair of Yeezys, to give you an idea what it feels like, go somewhere where there's people standing up, like I don't know, Target or something, and you have those little mats that's like this thick that you put your foot in. That's exactly what this feels like every time you walk. Most comfortable shoe I've ever worn. Highly recommend everybody get at least one pair.
Yeah.